4 класс, английский язык, Звездный английский, домашнее задание, урок 49, часть 1, страница 109, English, Starlight 4, homework, lesson number 49, part number 1, page number 109. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. 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 I'm so glad to meet you. Thank you. I'm glad to meet you. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 109. 109. Exercise number 1. Checkpoint. Look and choose the right word. Посмотри и выбери правильное слово. She was very shy when she was little. Она была очень стеснительной, когда была маленькой. There was a ghost film on TV. I was really scared. The answer number 1. По телевизору шел фильм про привидения. Я был очень напуган. Number 2. Paul is very worried about his science test. The answer number 2. Пол очень волнуется за свой тест по науке. Number 3. I'm hungry. Can I have a sandwich? Number 3. The answer. Я голоден. Можно мне бутерброд? Number 4. The film wasn't good. I was bored. Number 4. The answer. Фильм не был хорошим, мне было скучно. Number 5. Peter was naughty when he was little. Number 5. The answer. Питер был непослушным, когда он был маленьким. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Look and complete. Посмотри и закончи. Number 1. Was. Where were you yesterday, Tina? I was at the cinema. Где ты была вчера, Тина? Я была в кинотеатре. Number 2. Were the children with you? Number 2. Where? Дети были с тобой? No, they weren't. They were at the fun fair. Дети были с тобой? Нет. Они были на ярмарке аттракционов. The answer number 5 was. Number 6 wasn't. Was it a good film? No, it wasn't. I was really bored. Фильм был хороший? Нет, мне было очень скучно. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. Read and complete. Прочитай и закончи. The answer number 1. Naughty. Number 2. Noisy. What were you like when you were young? I was naughty. How about you? I was really noisy. Boys and girls, we must do the part. Now I can talk about feelings. Say where people were. Say and write what I was like when I was young. Сейчас я умею говорить и писать, каким я был, когда был маленьким. The answer. Say and write What I was like when I was young. The answer: this is photo of me when I was 4. I was really noisy boy. My favorite food was apples, but now I don't like them. My favorite animal was my dog, Снежок. It was big and white. Снежок and I were very happy to play together. But the best thing of all was my Lego cars. They were really cool. Number 2, the answer. Hello. This is me when I was 3. I was a very shy girl. My favorite food was porridge with berries. I still love it. My favorite animal was my cat, Pushok. It was little and black. But the best thing of all was my scooter. It was really cool. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна, spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.